Jumping right in as usual. This is a 24 by 36 gallery wrap canvas, but it's the 1-inch thick version. It's just a regular artist canvas. We're going to start with a Prussian blue slash navy blue that I mixed out of blue, raw, and burnt umber, a hint of yellow. And we're just going to pour that on the canvas and see how much it covers. If it only covers one side, I have another cup that's ready to go. Once I get this filled, I'm just going to blow it out. I've already painted my sides just in case I didn't have enough, because sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I do, sometimes I won't. So it looks like each cup is just going to be enough to cover each side. So I'm just going to blow it out one side at a time, just in case I have to mix more colors. So we shall see, shall we? Just gonna pop some air bubbles. Pop in the air bubbles. It's a lot in this particular mixture because there's a few colors in here to make this blue. It probably doesn't show up on the camera, video, whatever. But this is a custom blue. That takes a lot of back work. So yeah guys, I've learned to blow the bigger canvases out like one side at a time because A, sometimes you actually have more paint than you think you have, and B, sometimes the paint doesn't move as well as you think it will move and it ends up getting a bit thick, and when that happens it gets stiff, so when you mix the other colors it dries and actually cracks. So hopefully I won't need to mix anymore. I'm gonna try to go easy with this cup. It's the last cup because I was able to move that first cup around a little bit more. So we're gonna blow this out and see what happens, and then try to fill in the spaces with what I have left in the cup. That way I can be lazy and not have to mix as much. So here. Truthfully, I got lost in the moment, but now I'm alone and atoning. Got caught up in my head, far way to fall ahead. I don't know where I'm going. Okay guys, so what I've learned thus far with doing fluid art, you always want to mix more paint than you actually may need if you're clumsy like me. I tend to bump into the canvas all the time. So as you can see on several different occasions, I dropped the tip of the blow dryer into the actual paint. So even though I painted the edges, I can tell that it looks a little naked around here. So I'm going to clear that up once I add the other paint and start blowing it out. Yeah, I'm seeing those chunks again. I'm not using the white paint this time, so I don't know what happened. So basically, I'm going to start with a watered down, kind of watered down. Well, actually, this isn't the watered down one. I'm going to start with the Caribbean Blue by Apple Barrel. I always forget their name. I always want to call it Apple Crate Barrel or something stupid. So basically, I'm going to fill this canvas up. So I'm going to make a giant X with this blue. I'm going to come in with the Peacock Teal, which is a metallic. I'm just going to go over that quick thin straight line. Try not to drop it all over the canvas like I did the Caribbean Blue.
You'll see me go in also with the sea green, but sea green and Caribbean blue is basically the same color. Didn't know that when I bought it, but learned it the hard way. So because I mixed the majority of these colors with water and Floetrol, the sea green may be, and it is, it's a bit lighter than the Caribbean blue, which will give it kind of a highlight. It's better to use in place of white because it comes out like a mint green of sorts. And let's massage it on this side because I dropped the, what do you call it? Dipstick, popsicle stick, whatever. So just for a bit of an accent, come in with some gold, another metallic, just because I love gold. Sometimes the gold looks like over, which is why I'm going a little bit lighter toward the center. That didn't work out because, you know, I'm me. And now I'm going to go in with a really fluid red. So the red is going to go in the blank spaces. So I don't know where to go now. Pour on these bigger cups and switch to small cups. It's probably not going to turn out anything like I picture. Looks like a bladder. And then take the red up here where the canvas is kind of naked. Come down. Not quite meeting in the center, but just trying to fill up some of the blank spaces. It's kind of going to be like a giant star. Or an ostrich. Whatever you call it. So I'm between that red just to make sure it moves because it's probably going to be stiff as a board because they keep dipping stuff in the paint accidentally. Because I really blew it to move it around the canvas. Just gonna go in between all of these with what I have left if it's enough to make sure the paint still matches. And to make sure that this custom blue is I guess my legs thinking about being part of the canvas because I just got paint. Y'all, these big canvases make my back hurt. I don't know how y'all feel about them, but spinning over this thing. Maybe I need a taller table, that's probably it. I saw one and didn't buy it, and I saw it, and my back was gone. So. Alright, nothing left to do but blow this joint. So I think I'm gonna start on this side because the paint is thicker on this side. Okay guys, so this was a different design for me. I like the way this looks here in the center, which will be the main focus, but I also like the way the red blew out into like flames almost. So I'm glad I didn't overdo it with the gold. It seems like it's just enough. Sometimes I lose the gold. seems like it's just enough. Of course, I was eating pizza earlier and scratched some face and crumbs just falling on But yeah, guys, I kind of want to blow this spot out a little bit more because I can see that the paint is like really thick right here, but I'm afraid I'm lose my composition. Let's see. Okay, that was too horrible. It did make this red stand out right here, made it brighter. So, alright, I think I'm gonna leave this one alone and start on the next one. So, in a second, I'm just gonna go around and make sure my sides are covered in, like I got a spot over here on my face. See if I can get some more cells popping, but that might be all that I'm gonna get. So y'all, this is a part of, I won't even call it a series, but I'm doing some pieces for Father's Day. Because I always get the ladies to buy the paintings, but I never really get the guys to buy anything. So, I take that back. I had one guy buy some stuff, but I'm trying to get more guys to buy my art. The ladies might be buying it for the guys, I don't know, but overall, I think this came out pretty cool. I'm glad I used 2 metallics in this one because the parts that would be otherwise bland actually came out pretty good. The more that I torch this, I actually love it even more. So I'll bring you guys down in a second to show y'all. But it almost looked like inside the heart or inside of some organ in the body with all these cells and the way it burst out. I think it's pretty cool. Not to toot my own horn, but I am, you know. Alright, let's see how long this damn video is. Alright, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. This slick fire. I love this so much right now. That's my problem. That's why I got a whole collection of art pieces on the wall, because I always end up loving it and keeping it for myself. But this is it. This is 24 by 36, you guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think.